everyone, welcome back to the ENGLIO. Today we are going to learn Independence Day English vocabulary. Guys, this lesson covers essential English vocabulary specifically for Independence Day so you can express your patriotism, love and pride for your country in English. So, let's begin. Starting with the core definition. Independence Day is a day when a country celebrates its complete freedom and independence. As you can see the example, Pakistan celebrates Independence Day on 14 August. Our very first essential word is freedom, which defines the true state of being free. Look at this simple example. We enjoy freedom in our country. Next up is unity, which describes the powerful state of standing together. Here is how to use it. Unity makes our country strong. Next we have flag. It is the most important because it means the official symbol representing a nation. Take a look at this example. We proudly wave our flag. Word number 4 is patriot, defining a person who loves and supports their country. An easy example would be, he is a true patriot. Next up, we have nation, which defines both a country and the citizens living in it. Here is a great sentence like, Pakistan is a beautiful nation. Next up is a highly impactful word, resilience, which means the ability to stay strong and recover after difficulties. Take a look at this example. Pakistan has shown resilience through many challenges. Moving on to word number 7, celebrate. This simply means marking a special occasion with lots of joy. Take a look at how to use it. We celebrate Independence Day with joy. Up next at number 8 is pride. This defines a deep feeling of happiness or satisfaction about something. An excellent example is, we feel pride in our country. Check out word number 9, liberty. It stands for the freedom to live exactly as you choose. Consider this powerful statement, everyone deserves liberty. At number 10, we have sacrifice. This means giving up something incredibly valuable for a much greater cause. A deeply meaningful example is, our heroes made great sacrifices. Unpacking word number 11, courage. It represents the inner power and ability to face danger bravely. Just take a look at this phrase, our heroes showed great courage. Turning to word number 12, peace. This defines a beautiful state completely free from war or conflict. Here is a universal sentence. We all want peace. Our next word is nationwide. Nationwide. This means happening across the whole country. For example, Independence Day celebrations are held nationwide. Let's dive into word number 14, freedom fighter, which means a person who fights for freedom. Here is the great example you can see. Imran Khan is a brave freedom fighter. Moving on to word number 15, flag raising. This describes the official act of lifting a flag upward. Look at this perfect example. The flag raising ceremony began early in the morning. Next up at number 16, parade, which means a public procession or formal march. To put it into a sentence, We watched the Independence Day parade. Check out word number 17, anthem. This is a powerful song that represents an entire country. Here is how to use it. Everyone stood for the national anthem. Tackling word number 18, heritage. This refers to the rich traditions and history passed down through generations. Consider this beautiful example. We are proud of our cultural heritage. Next is history, which simply refers to the important events from the past. Here is how to use it. We should learn our country's history. We should learn our country's history. Moving on to word number 19. We have leader, which defines a person who guides and inspires others. Take this clear example. Imran Khan is a great leader. Word number 20 is constitution, which means the basic laws of a country. To use it in a sentence, we have the example. The constitution protects our rights. Moving forward to word number 21, sovereignty. Listen very carefully, guys, because a lot of people pronounce this word incorrectly. Remember, the G is completely silent, so we pronounce it as sovereignty. It means a country's right to govern itself. As you can see the example, sovereignty is important for every nation. Our next word is loyalty, which refers to showing strong support or faithfulness to someone or something. Here is how to use it. We should show loyalty to our country. This is a perfect example to use the word of loyalty. Check out word number 23, devotion. This expresses a deep sense of great love and dedication. To show it in a sentence, we have an example. As you can see, he showed devotion to his nation. Word number 24 is tribute. This is an official act showing deep respect or admiration for someone. For example, we paid tribute to our heroes. Moving on to word number 25, we have prosperity. This beautiful word represents a state of success, growth, and wealth. A perfect prayer for our nation is we pray for our country's prosperity. Moving on to word number 26, dignity, which means holding a strong sense of honor and self-respect. To apply this in everyday life, you can see the example. Everyone deserves to be treated with dignity and respect. Our next powerful term is word number 27, revolution. Think of this as a complete transformation or major turning point in a society. Just look at this phrasing. The revolution changed the history of the country. Up next at number 28 is resistance. This defines a strong opposition or standing up against control or force. Take this clear example. The people showed strong resistance. Tackling word number 29, emancipation. This is an advanced vocabulary term describing the ultimate act of becoming completely free from restrictions. Here is how to use it smoothly. Independence brought emancipation to the nation. Finishing strong with word number 30, motherland. This beautiful term refers to your native or home country where your roots belong. To say it with pride, which you can see on your screen. I am proud of my motherland, Pakistan. Always remember, guys, loving your country is a beautiful duty. Respect your homeland, work hard for its progress, and watch how success follows you. So, guys, make sure to practice these words consistently and weave them into your daily English conversations. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and drop your feedback in the comment box. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson. Goodbye. Take care.